were taught to chase, to win, to move, measuring our worth by how fast we can run. But the finer things, they were never in a hurry. They don't appear when you chase them. They wait. They wait for the noise to clear, for you to be still enough to notice. Because true status was never about keeping pace with the world. It's the luxury of choosing your own. A quiet hour, an unhurried afternoon, the pause you almost skipped, the breath you almost forgot to take. This is where life actually happens, in the unscripted spaces between. So slow down. This is the part you remember.